Hello Producton, we're back again with another StartOS launch. Last week when we launched CompeteOS, we did not expect to finish in the top 5. We were super overwhelmed with all the support and love that we got on that launch. So this week, the module we are launching is going to be free for 24 hours. The last two launches, TeamOS and ProjectOS, focused on internal team systems. This time, we're looking outwards at competitors with CompeteOS. CompeteOS is designed to do two things. Firstly, to act as a knowledge database for you to collect all the information for companies and developments in your industry, especially your competitors. And secondly, to provide a framework to give you clarity of how your business differentiates itself from all of these existing businesses. Inside CompeteOS, you will find this competitor matrix. Here's an example of me filling it up for StartOS as compared to other Notion templates. You can use this framework to fill it up for your product. You can use the competitor positioning matrix below to position your business with respect to the competitors. Find your two key features that allow you to be differentiated from these existing competitors, always up and to the right. You also have the SWOT analysis template with an inbuilt resource that guides you to how to use it. Now, let's come to the data aggregation portion. At the back end, you have two master databases. The first is the master team research database. Here, you can store all your team's knowledge in one place. You can tag articles based on category, such as competitor research, startup research, or just productivity. You can store the URL and also tag these by media type. We like to scrape articles directly into this database using Save to Notion. For releases from your competitors, you can tag them to the specific competitor from your competitor's database. So let's look at this database now. The competitor database stores all your competitors with a specific tag for their industry and also a subcategory tag that allows you for more granular filters. Your tagged articles show up here. If you want to make these look cleaner, you can assign cover images or even icons. Once you're done tagging, all of your research will appear on the home dashboard right here in the center. So, keep a close eye on your competition and use your knowledge to position your business to win. This is CompeteOS.